Welcome to another video. We're down at the shop. Check it out. It's looking much better down here. Machine shop coming soon, hopefully. Bringing you tons of content as always. Trying to do better at it too. So today, well, tonight, we are going to be pretty much cutting exhaust off. People was looking at me as they went by, probably like, why has he got a phone? Is he video recording me? No, I'm video recording myself. Just mosey on. We got the Trans AM. We're going to bring back a youth by cutting the muffler off this. It's in the back. Be easy, a straight pipe. So let's go ahead and get started. This is what we got. A 1996 Trans AM, of course. We got the overkill extension cord. We got a saw with a metal blade in it. We got power. I don't think we're going to need to jack it up. We can just mosey it on up, you know, underneath of it with the saw. Cut the two hangers, which I think factory they got a hanger here, and the single pipe, because it's single into a muffler. You know, it comes in and makes like a U into a muffler that got a tip side here and a tip side here. So it should be easy to delete. Then we can just weld on our tips on another day. Oh, that's one, Shane. Then we cut that other. Oh, yeah, they got a hanger on this side too.
This one didn't have a hanger, it was just a muffler.
Oh, this one got a hanger. I can see it in the video.
That one's got a hanger.
Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Wow, that was easy. Somebody put this exhaust on, I do believe. Or did you cut that straight down? Oh, you cut it straight down, didn't you? Yeah, that's pretty good. I would put the oval tips in. By your set of ovals. Yeah, ovals look real pretty. Fills up it pretty good. If y'all comment below, do you remember the Trans AM before? We had big 3-inch tips out here. Looked pretty good. I did an install video of them. Nope, that was easy. Didn't have to cut it. Look at that. Magic, ain't it? Oh, we done delete this?
Yep.
So that was an easy muffler to delete. Just had to cut it one time. How does it sound? Let us know in the comment section below. What do you think? That don't sound too bad. Actually sounds pretty good. I think you want the exhaust out. Yeah. All the way to the back to get rid of that little bit of a hollow echo you hear. I think it'll sound pretty good just straight piped. You know, wait, technically you don't post straight pipe a driving vehicle. This is for off-road use only. You need your exhaust mufflers. Isn't that right, Shane? It's getting a muffler. This is just temporary for tonight. Ain't it? Yep. It's still got the 2 converters on it, by the way. If you're looking to get this same sound, it's still got the factory converters on it. Yes, nobody has took the converters. So it's just got a muffler delete on it. The converters are still there. So that does tone down this straight pipe noise a tad. At the end of the day, comment below what you think about the car. Do you like it? We need to get the fire button down here. Build the LS motor for it. It's standard shift. It's going to be a way fun project. We got people either turning or visiting. Not sure yet. Are they turning? They turning. Yep. We use the parking lot as a big U spot. I do too. You know, everybody does. Oh, so that's about finished. Might as well do a walkabout of the shop. It's been a while since you've seen an update, ain't you? Check out the bathroom. Oh, we got a door here now. Check it out. It closes. Trust me. Check this out. The bathroom, looking good. Looking extremely good, actually. Walk over here. You know, you turn your lights out to save power. That's how come all the lights is off. Just use them when we need them. We got this. Check this out. This is getting installed in place of a hot water tank. Now, the hot water tank was in that bathroom we were remodeling. But this probably won't go in the bathroom because I'm going to be honest with you, that can go anywhere. And the point of it is, I think it requires 8-gauge wire. And 8-gauge wire is expensive. It's like $4 something, I think, a foot. Okay, and we need 3 runs of it because that uses 3 breakers. Because that one is like bigger than the normal ones. That was like $400 or $500. Don't remember. Don't. It's from Lowe's, by the way, if you're looking for one. And I don't know if I recommend it or not. I ain't never used it, so going to hook it up. Thinking about putting it here next to the fuse box is because we didn't have enough fuses in this one, so we had to get a new one installed. So now we got to probably plumb it here because, as I said, what is this? 30 foot for one run, 30, 40. So might as well say 90 some foot to run wire from here to where we want it originally, where the hot water tank was in 8-gauge. So 90 foot times, let's see, 90 times, how would you do that math? 90 times $4 and something. Might as well say 90 times $5. So 90 times 5, you get that number. Well, we can put it close here, and then we can drop that to maybe 12 foot. So 12 times 5 sounds a lot better than that, because you got to buy the what's that, Plex pipe, you know, for the water and stuff. You go buy it, you can buy it in Lowe's, so it'd be easier just to come down and plumb this into this bathroom and the other bathroom. That's a game plan, I'm pretty sure. Not 100%, but I'm pretty sure that saves money. And, you know, we need to save money everywhere we can. It's a machine shop. You know, nothing's cheap. And we got a body shop to build. And we got tow trucks to finish. So, this whole thing here hopefully will save on the electric bill. Don't use a lot of hot water. And it, unlike a hot water tank that heats up 3 or 4 times a day, if you don't use hot water that day, then this will never heat up. So, it should add up in savings. Now, if you're in a normal home, I don't know if it would or not. It might a little. It depends on how you use your hot water. Oh, you interested in seeing what we got? You want the model number? So before anyone asks in the comments, that's the model number. I'm pretty sure that's what we got. Let's see. Is that it? That was it. That's the model number. You need one of these. These is junction like shut off valves things too. These is costly too. You probably can build them. And these are to go on this. These are sold separate. Don't come with it. This is added cost to those, so you can flush them. Because once or twice a year you have to clean these units. You need to be able to shut off the main water. Just have water going into the unit to do the flush, chemical flush. There's a kit for that. So that's added cost too from your hot water heater. Also, you need a cold water check-off valve in case pressure goes from the city water or whatever water you got, leaks out, and you turn the faucet on and it tries to heat up what little water is in it, and it might do damage to the unit. Also, you need a filter system because you don't want calcium and hot water to build up to get inside that to destroy the life of it. So there's a lot of cost to it. So do you prefer hot water tanks or do you prefer this? This is, you know, probably better in the over time. It will pay for itself. But if you're just a home owner and you didn't want to switch everything up, then probably just replacing a hot water tank would be fine. But, you know, this will probably add up to savings eventually. So thanks for watching. We're going to clean up the Trans AM, get ready to go do other stuff. We got a patch of tire. It turns out we got a flat. Did you watch the other video before? Shane said it wasn't leaking, so we wasn't worried about it. We did a video on some stuff. There goes the city water people or the post office people, I don't know. They had flashing lights on, but we'll be making a video on patching a tire. Yeah, it leaked. We must hit a pothole or something. But you know why it started leaking? We seen it. Didn't leak a drop. But once we knowed it was no, that's when it happens. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check the eBay store out in the description below. Might be something I know you like. Thanks for watching.